Verisurf 2025 enhances the measurement of lines and planes through the addition of settings that enable custom offsets. When a measured plane is defined by 3 points on 2 or more parallel surfaces that are offset from one another, Verisurf's 2-point dimension tool is first used to determine the nominal distances between the planes. These steps are then entered as the offset values. When the plane is measured, Verisurf calculates a plane that's tangent to the probe, offset by the defined values. The resulting plane accounts for both probe and custom offsets. Offsets work in a similar manner for lines. When a 2-point line is measured on a stepped edge, the step value can be determined using a 2-point dimension and entered as the offset. When the line is measured, the line is compensated for both probe and custom offsets. Together, the custom offsets make it easy to measure lines and planes in a greater variety of applications.